Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I'm just here to take you guys on how to create a table content in Microsoft Word. So basically you should know that before creating a table content, you need to have your Word document. If at all you don't have a one, you have to create a Word document. So you should bear in mind that creating a table content in Microsoft Word just deals with headings and titles. So for us, we want to create our table content. We come into the window menu, we type word, we, we type word. So this is what we have. This one is a blank word. So this is a blank word, but for us, we already have our document. We go to file. See this one, you see. We go to files. No, no. We go to computer list. No, we go to sample word. Come to sample word. Come to sample word. So this is our sample word document that we have already. So you see, I've highlighted all now. You see our project plan. I did make it as our heading 1. I did make it as heading 1, and our phase 1 and phase 2, phase 3, I went to the home tab and I highlighted it to be our heading 2. And so for us, we want now to create, let's also highlight these ones also. Let's put it to be our heading what? Our heading 1 also. And our conclusion also. Let our conclusion also to be heading 1. Go to the home tab and you apply heading 1 also. So this is what we have already. This is what we have. This is what we have in our document. So now we want to make a create a table of contents. We want to create a table of contents now. You want to create a table of content. So when you want to create a table of content, you are done highlighting your work. Now you go to the reference tab. You go to the reference tab. This is our reference tab. It will bring for you now here that you create a table of contents. So it will bring for you like many. Now you see. Oh, before we do that, maybe we first have to highlight like everything. No, we highlight everything. We highlight everything. So then we come to our file. No, not file. Then we go to our reference. And then we see our table of contents. So we select which one we want. We want this one or this one. Or maybe we use the manual one. See? No, maybe we use a different one. Maybe we use heading. Maybe we use this one. You see? So this is just how you go about with creating table of content in Microsoft Word. So guys, this is just what I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment for more YouTube videos on my channel. Thanks. Wish you good luck.